This is what my front garden looks like, or my front bed by the front of the house. And last year I had calla lilies in here, and I believe there. Or I had something else here. No, not a calla lily. I had a calla lily here and something else here that I don't recall. That died. And then this died as well over winter. I didn't know that you're supposed to protect them, and my goal here for the front garden is to have like evergreens and perennials, so things that come back each year and things that stay green even in winter, because I didn't want front looking bare and naked. Yes, I had another calla lily here, and then I had another calla lily here, and then lupins here. So there's one lupin there. The other one here died, but that one seems to have survived winter. I was so surprised when I saw like new leaves sprouting. I was pretty certain that it was dead. And then I think I had one more calla lily here, so I had 3 of those, and that died. This time around I've bought 4 hosta fire and ice plants I'm going to put in those 4 spots. And even though they are deciduous, so in winter they're going to like shed all their leaves and look dead, they'll come back up in spring, and they're perennials, which is my goal. I also just wanted this place to be low maintenance, so not much care, things that will come back each year, and then things I don't have to prune so much. Although I see these guys having a different color, I'm not sure what to do. And then I've got my weed cloth, weed fabric, and then I've put these stones here. I have 1 bag of stones left that I would add just to make it more covered. And then when these guys die, I just sort of try to cover it so that weed wouldn't grow there. But yeah, let's get to planting. I've also realized that sometimes, like, I think when people pass with their dogs and cats and stuff, so I think I'm going to put a border around the front just so all the stones stay back there. I have my plan here to remind me of what I want to do, because I think I have more holes than number of plants, and I hope that this kind of makes sense. Although looking at the plan, so it appears I want to put them 1, 2, and then 3, 4. But looking at that space, I think it's a bit small, so I'll probably do 3, 4. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think there's more space that way for them. Oh, by the way, these are the plants. I got them from the gardener's dream. And in here I have bloodfish and bone and neem compost, and this is roots grow. I got this from the gardener's dream as well. They usually sell them with their plants, and essentially it's to help them like get used to their new home and for their roots to grow, you know. I'm not sure that I follow what it says, I just freestyle. Can you see that? I'm not sure what that is. I can't tell if it's from this plant or from like the calla lilies from last year. I think it's probably from the calla lilies. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna remove it. But let's see. I think it's definitely from the calla lilies. Huh. So it's not dead, but it hasn't come back up. Oh, there's a nice one. I hope I haven't cut it in half. I'm just going to remove this. I really think it's from the calla lily, because I think they're supposed to have a bulb. If anyone watching knows what these are, please let me know. But anyways, I've removed them, and I hope that I'm not risking yeah, some rich growth in there. And then okay, we have some roots that have matted. Okay, there we go. There's a worm. Can you see there's a worm there? Front garden update. I got this edging thing, and I've had it in the car for a while. I was actually thinking about returning it. Funny thing is, I bought this for the back garden because I wanted it to be plain, but now I'm thinking of using it for the front. I literally just opened it now, so I'm definitely using it. It came in this wrap, and so I just thought that up now. Yeah, I'm gonna use this in the front, see how far it goes. I'll most likely need to, I suspect so. And it also had some pegs, and I think because this isn't as long, I wouldn't have the issue that I had with the front for that one. And because the front and the back look the same, I think this works perfectly. So yeah, I'm just going to show how I'm going to use that up in the front garden. I'm not sure which way is the front or the back. There's this side that has like the ribbed angle, and then there's a plain side. I think the ribbed one looks nicer. What do you guys think? Although at the time you'll be seeing this video, already be too late. But I think I'll use the ribbed part for the front. This one looks like really basic. So. Guys, for the first time ever, I got a measurement of something. Actually, I didn't. But it just randomly like was a perfect length, like literally like from side to side, beginning to end. Like, it's so amazing. I'm so happy. Like, I didn't have to buy any other one, and I didn't have to cut. And yeah, let me show you what I have for now. You see, it starts from here and then goes all the way. And this is a big win. Yeah.